Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today in this video, Happy New Year's. Again, this was part 1. No, this is part 2. This is part 2, guys. The other one was way too long. Okay, here we go. It shuts down, and then, bam, it uses the force. So beautiful. That was so beautiful, like, so beautiful. Oh! Then, can I go say Happy New Year's to over there? Oh, fine. Got it. I was gonna say Happy New Year's to over there, but they don't let me. Either way, still cool because they're right next to it. They're the one that they go. Sis, isn't it right that they go all out on Halloween and everything? They take it. Oh, my ears are so sore. Oh my god. Okay, we're almost done.
6 more.
What? I thought you. Oh my god, this is gonna take a long video already. Either way, it's still good. Oh my god. You should go see the part 1. Hi guys. That video just ended. Yeah. Happy New Year's to all of you. I'm gonna be uploading more videos, more content, and yeah. That's all I had to say. Just Happy New Year to all of you, and have a great 2017, guys. Can't believe it. I can't wait for 2023. That's gonna be the future.